host Klaus, a daily analysis episode. Um, this volatility 75 gave me a bunch of losses, like a hell bunch of losses. Yeah. Okay, it didn't show here, but like on my real account here, I got a bunch of losses. Like, well, I think that was another reason why I didn't even post for a while. The losses hit very, very hard. And what else? Okay, this if I had moved this up to here, could have been an entry up to this level here. But anyways, that is not what we are here for. So I did a lot of mistakes on my account. Like the account was, I think, 38, and now it's currently $11. So as you can see, a bunch of losses happened on there. So I will have to recover somehow. But this is not what we are here for today. Today we will be doing currencies. So before we get to currency, let me check what we did previously. I think gold was what we did last, and it has yet to actually even trigger. Right. This is it up to 4 to 5 days? I don't remember how many days, and it has yet to trigger. Well, that's kind of okay. Okay, so we should check another. No, I don't think I did anything. Yeah, ETP. I didn't even take that trade. Okay, this has finally. Okay, no. See, it got in on here. Gave us some profit up to this level here, which you could have taken your first TP. Honestly, see, could have taken your first TP, which is this here. Could have gone with it. You know, one thing is that I normally just put the trade and put it to the extreme. It doesn't mean that it's going to reach that extreme, but you can just, that's why I always say you can put half. So this is the 50%. You could have gotten your um profit on there before this reversal. And this reversal, I don't even know if it's going to still go back down or not. But let's just leave it as it is, and then we'll see later if it will come back down or not. But all I know is that it did get in on some profits, 50% profit around here. We check I think this is a loss. Yeah, it's a loss. Clean loss, yeah. Nothing else. What else? What else? These are old songs. I don't think I did anything new here. These are hit the TP. Like I remember adjusting this. Remember our SL was around here. Adjusting it here. So if I hit TP. So what we're doing today, we'll be dealing with currencies, not synthetics and all that. Today we'll just do with a currency. I don't know what currency yet until I get to there. And then by the end of the video, I'm going to show you this thing I talked about last time about indicator, having an indicator that will automatically indicate everything for you without you going to analyze things by yourself. Well, you will still need to analyze it because you need to understand what is happening there. So for me to make it easier, I'll just use normal commodities here to analyze it. Then we check it. We check with the indicator. Because I wasn't really doing anything here, but I still went ahead to look for indicators that might be kind of good. I've checked it somewhat. It's kind of accurate. I don't even know what you're going to do. What you're going to do. Let's see AUDUSD. Have we done anything about it before? AUDUSD. We've done nothing with it. So we should save, make a copy, AUD, USD, and yep, we'll go to our 24 hours. We have this, and then we have this. So in a way, this is a sell market. We are selling. When I'm done with this, I'll just go and play Call of Duty. Like I haven't played that game for a while, and then I was like freaked out yesterday when I finally downloaded it, and I was getting MVP for both games. I played only two of it yesterday, and I was getting. Yeah, I played two matches. What is that? I don't even know the name. And I was getting MVPs on the first and on the second. I was like, what the hell? When I haven't even played the game for like a very 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 long time. I think last time I played was last year February or so, and I deleted it. So I just downloaded it yesterday because I was fucking bored. And these losses I was getting was the losses. I would say the loss was because I was fucking bored. So I every time when I just look at the charts, if I see something like an opportunity, even if my mind was telling me that I shouldn't do that, because I was literally using the 15 minutes and the 1 hour time frame. So those are one of the things that caused my losses. It's currently consolidating around here. So we'll go to the 4 hours time frame. Now on the 4 hours time frame, what are we seeing? This is our high, staying the same previous high, and then this is our low here, our current low on this. Now we yep. um we have something of this nature where market was just dancing, well consolidating, and then it broke this level, came down. If you want to retest, it should retest probably up to here. If it retests up to here, then it should get up to here, then finally comes down. Because this is the first break. I think when it gets up to here, that's when we have more momentum. So if you want to adjust this, you adjust it up to this level here. This is the 4 hours time frame, don't forget. And then we can just use this 4 hours time frame as our entry point, or we can still go down to the 1 hour, then go down to the 15 minutes, then go down to the 5 minutes, then go down to the 1 minute time frame for whatever the fuck you're looking for around there. But me, I mostly just do 4 hours, 1 hour. I don't go below that. It gets noisy. It's already noisy on the 1 hour, 4 hours, even the daily is already fucking noisy. Going down there, we increase the noise, worsening the matter. So yeah, This is what you can do short. You can say you're taking your short. This is continuation. Okay, this okay, wait before we take any shot. There's this I'm seeing here. Came all the way up to here. This is the fair value gap. I think fair value gap was up to here. It cleared the fair value gap. Well, not cleared per se. It did take more than 50% of the fair value gap before going back up. And then we have this. Now, there's one other thing I even learned. They say something about confirmation with the candle, which I'm not going to lie. I have a very fat issue around there. I can't memorize candles. I don't know why. I just can't. I've tried to memorize the candles and they still giving me issue. The only one that I know about is pin bar, which whether this is kind of like a pin bar, yeah. I think that is a pin bar. That is the only one I know about. And this is also a pin bar. That is the only one I know about. Any other thing apart from that pin bar, I don't know. I've tried to memorize them, kind of difficult. So I don't even know what I'm doing there. So now, yeah, it's kind of giving us a vibe that it's going to go up because of this fair value gap, yeah. And one thing I not even sometimes I forget about this my calculation and all that shit. That is the naming of all these boxes and all that. So we have our OBN. Let's just go to the 1 hour. It might be clear on the 1 hour time frame. If it's not, we'll come back to the 4 hours time frame. So yeah. Now this is where they will say you need your it didn't give us a pin bar. It didn't give us a pin bar there, honestly. And it didn't even clear up all the way to this very level, yeah. It just took this fair value gap, yeah. That is what it took out. Came down a little bit on here, but it still didn't even clear this very level, yeah. So there's a possibility of it still coming down to this other block here because it has yet to be cleared. This other block here because it has yet to be cleared. Even this other block here has yet to be actually been cleared. So we have this other block. I think it's still very active. So it will give us something of a retest. Yeah, he has given us the retest up to here. This will be a 50%. He has gotten to 50%. So what we do is to get down up to this level, yeah. Probably get here and then maybe go up. But like we are saying currently, this is what we are actually trading currently. So remember this is the 1 hour time frame. Is like to understand what we are seeing on the 4 hours because on the 4 hours we saw something that looked like it would go up. But then when we then came down to the 4 hour time frame, to the 1 hour time frame, sorry, we then found out that there was an FVG, yeah? But then there was another block also here. And then this retest gave us this is a fat FVG, yeah, which is cleared, came down, went up. Normally on an FVG it will give us some kind of consolidation and all that. So we are still expecting consolidation for this particular FVG on the 4 hours time frame. So it's going to get up to this level here. So now we are looking for a sell opportunity, which this should be our sell opportunity, which is he has already gotten up to there. So you can just put it like a continuation to this very level here. So that is what we'll just do a short. You can just enter the trade here. Just enter the trade. Put your SL, should be around here. Your SL should be around there. Your TP should get all the way to this 50%. If you want, you can get it up to 50%. You can get it up to here. And then you can see also, just take this down. got this taken here, but this down one, this the one down here hasn't been taken, and that this one being they haven't been mitigated. So it will come down to this level here as our TP, and then you can still look for your 50%. Here's your 50%, which is literally almost this 50% of this. Yeah. So that is it. And let's see, we'll go for your entry, your profit, your stop loss. Just screenshot that. And this is it for AUDUSD. Now we'll then go. I said I will show you something about the indicator here. So now we'll go to trading view itself. This is trading view. We'll look for AUD, USD, okay, which is this, and this is 1 hour time frame. This is order block here. Okay, no, this is money concept. Then where is the order block? As you can see on here, this is the buy and this is the sell. It was almost literally the same thing, yeah. So we are still this change of structure. This is the wait, is this literally the OB that I marked on there? Why are they looking kind of different? Oh, I see. Yeah. OB, yeah, this. Let me see. Yeah. OB there. Yeah, it's looking kind of different. What this one is using this. I can't see the OB. This is the two indicator currently working on here. Looks smart money concept because it's literally almost smart money concept they actually use. And then there's other block detector here. So let me clean it. Okay, this is the other block. Let's open it back. And then this is another other block here. And then here is the other block. But our current market focus is this, which is literally what I did there, I think. Going for a sell, and then this is the buy. So this the indicator here. Look at our change of structure, and our current change of structure, which is going for a sell. Then we will eventually get a BOS, that is after, if this market respect this, goes down, this will be our BOS. So it's literally almost the same thing that we both did. And one thing I haven't even checked it because I just got the EA, I think yesterday, if you could see, it was on the Euro USDT. And then let's change it on here to see what we are doing. And let's see what we have on the 4 hours time frame, because I did use the 4 hours before in the 1 hour. 4 hours time frame, yeah, same thing. The FVG gave us 50% of it. Then we have a new one. Wait, let me see. This is the other block here. This is the other block. This is another other block. This is another other block here. So yeah, this is for the 4 hours time frame. Equal highs, change of structure, buying. On the 4 hours here, it shows that it's buying on these 4 hours here. It shows that it's buying, that it just hits this. This is a change, so it shows that it's buying. It wants to get up to this level here. But like the trade I gave you was a short was a short sell. Yeah. Let's see fast. Why am I on? I was saying something of selling to get all the way to this level, yeah. So I think it is using just this here and then this one here on the 4 hours time frame. That's what it's using. It's using this very top and this very low. So if it's using this very low and this very top, it will have to get up to here. But then because I use the 24 hours time frame, let's see what we will get on the 24 hours time frame. That is the daily. See, give us the same thing on the daily. This is a strong low, and that is a weak high. So on the daily is something of a sell. So market has to like get up to here probably to respect here all this. So that is it. You just have to like know what is currently going on to know which you are following. Then again, I will still look for something that will actually be giving us signals, like maybe something that will be plotting the buy, sell, and all that. But for now, this is all I have gotten. So I'll still keep looking. I have this. Let's see what this one will show us on here. I'm not seeing anything that is showing us. Okay, it has an issue. Maximum number of studies per chat has been reached. Maximum subscription. It's well, no. To close this one, emergency concept. I think I created this. I created this particular one here. And where is it? Okay, I'm coming. Let me close this and then close this one. So we should see. Yeah, this is what I created. And I'm not gonna lie, like I didn't understand what the fuck I was saying here. So that's why I do not use it as a reference. And then this is another one I created. Oh no, I didn't create this. I got it from a group. Then I then plotted it on my chart. So this is what it's giving us. So this is the premium and the discount PDRA. So this was a long from the, I think this is what they call the premium, and this is the discount. So on the discount we normally sell, on the premium we always look for a buy. So now on the discount we are looking for a sell, which is literally what I gave. So we sell all the way down somewhere here. So I'm somehow feeling proud that I kind of analyze it good. Is to see if it's going to actually hit our tip, because like I said, it was a short something, then we'll wait for kind of another opportunity after this. But that is that. Do subscribe, do like, and do comment. If you have any indicators you want me to test on trading view, you can put it on the comment, and don't forget to subscribe. It would encourage me and still give me some kind of financial aid to keep posting. Yeah. Anyways, thanks, and see you next time.